Hi and welcome. We are doing the MBE style questions. Now, this is an old question, and what they do now is this is a combined 27 through 29. What they do now is that they just take the fact pattern and they will take the fact pattern and they'll just put it on top of each of the questions that it applies to. So, and they won't combine them together, even though it's the exact same fact pattern. So that's what they typically do now. I guess they decided it wasn't fair to have them have it at the top if the question was on another page. I don't know, but they're doing it a little differently now. But they'll use the same question. So here's the hypothetical starting with 27. We have Al, who's arranged with Bob to have Bob kill Vic by shooting him. Bob in turn paid Tom to do the killing. Tom went to Vic's home late one evening. Vic had gone to bed and had left his bedroom window open. Tom found a stick and set fire to the end of it. He inserted it through an open window and started a smoldering fire in the covering on Vic's bed. Vic died of smoke inhalation, but the fire was discovered and extinguished by Vic's son. The only damage to the home was smoke discoloration to the walls next to the bed. Now, did Al commit the murder of Vic? Pause here if you want to answer it. I'm going to go right ahead and answer it, so please pause it. So we have four questions or four answers or possible choices, and you're to pick the best choice. And did Al commit murder of Vic? Yes, because Al and Tom were co-conspirators. B, yes, because he arranged for the killing of Vic. C, no, because his arrangement was with Bob, not Tom. And no, because Vic was killed in a different manner than Al had contemplated. So here is the fact pattern. And the answer is B. Yes, because he arranged the killing of Vic. Look carefully at the fact pattern. Bob paid Tom, and Al arranged with Bob to have Bob kill Vic. So did Al commit the murder of Vic? The answer is yes, because he arranged for the killing of Vic. He didn't know about Tom. So what law applies if you didn't understand what law applied? I have this page I found that explains criminal law conspiracy in detail. And I'm going to put the link below. The thing I worry about with putting these links below is it's going to give away the answer. So you know what? I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on my blog later on after I get them all done, and then put the links on the blog. So you need to go over to the blog. There's links to follow me on other sides. So do you remember Pinkerton's law? Do you remember when you have one person guilty and they don't know? So basically, in other words, if one person doesn't know the other person's trying to carry out the conspiracy that was started, any and all crimes in furtherance of the conspiracy, they can be held liable if they were foreseeable. And it has to be, concurring. It can't be a week later. So, well, actually, it might be able. It just depends on how it was set up. You have to just kind of analyze the whole thing. But, okay, so this is an example. Section 8. Oh, here's the case. Pinkerton's. Okay. In some states, federally, individuals who enter a conspiracy are criminally responsible for every reasonable foreseeable crime committed in furtherance of the conspiracy. Okay, so yeah, I scrolled to the wrong spot, but anyway, so when you have a conspiracy, there's murder, and if it's a felony, you can just go look at this in detail. You may or may not know it, but this is the nice diagrams and takeaways and details as to why Al is committing murder of Vic, even though he didn't even touch him. He just arranged with Bob to kill him. Okay, so that will be it for this section. I will be back and explain 27 in a minute. Take care and have a good day.